Hi everybody, Gary Bosek here. I want to talk to you about something that's kind of been weighing on my heart. I'm seeing a lot of weight loss programs that promise to lose a lot of weight in a very short amount of time. I want to tell you what I did. I lost my weight over 3 years. I lost 100 and something pounds, I think around 115 pounds. I did it slowly because just as the body gets unhealthy slowly, we need to nurture it back to health. By doing so, you won't have the stretch marks because your skin literally shrinks as you go. It's slow process. So amazing, no stretch marks. Also, it's sustained. Hi, that's Bean. That's Bean back there. That's my neighbor's dog, cute dog. It's sustained. You won't gain the weight back. If you lose it really fast, you tend to gain it back quickly. It can be very discouraging. So please take your time with this program. Enjoy your life. Don't feel like there's a rush to get it all off. Although there can be a sense of urgency because carrying extra weight is very unhealthy. But know this, if you're putting nutrients in your body's going to slowly start to sort of thank you. And if you do it slowly, it's going to really thank you. That's the way it was meant to be. I'm not a big fan of juice fasts and things to shock the body. Many people are going to disagree with me on that, I know, but I just don't believe in shocking the body. On top of that, it's hard. This shouldn't be hard. I talk about this all the time. We shouldn't make more work for ourselves or make it drudgery or make it something that we dread. It should be enjoyable. Getting your health back is enjoyable. And once you get there, once you unlock the keys to being healthy, you're going to be amazed. You can do this. I did it. You can. I can help. Again, I'm not a doctor. I'm just telling you what has worked for me. Consult your doctor or physician before beginning any exercise or health program at all. I'm getting good at this. I may have said it twice. I'm not sure. The dog kind of distracted me. Have a great day.